The question I get most often is, Steve, my computer's slow. How do I fix it? Well, I'm going to give you 10 easy steps to follow. Step 1 is to remove unwanted software. We've all had software that we have downloaded or used in the past that is just sitting on the computer wasting space. Here's an easy way to get rid of it. Word of caution, don't just get rid of stuff that you don't recognize. Do a Google search to actually find out what it is and if you can safely remove it. Step 2, you should run your antivirus software. One of the most common causes of slow computers is viruses. So this is a great way to clean a system. And if you don't have antivirus or anti-malware, shame, shame, shame. Malwarebytes is a great product for anti-malware, and it's free. Bitdefender has a free version that will protect you from viruses. Step 3 is to run disk cleanup. The cleanup tool has been in part of the Windows operating system for many years, and it is still just as effective at cleaning unnecessary files and improving performance. Before running a scan, click Clean Up System Files. It allows the application to run a more thorough scan by checking for old Windows Update files and logs. Step 4, defragment your hard drive. Windows has a tendency to dump files anywhere it wants. This is a great way to consolidate those files so the operating system can access them more efficiently. You may say, oh, well, I have a SSD or a solid state drive. This still applies. Windows retains old drivers. The rationale behind the retention is so that you'll never be stuck if a new driver doesn't perform as expected. However, your machine might be full of drivers from devices that you have stopped using many years ago. Step 6, check your startup list. Many Windows users know that Windows lags way behind Mac, Chrome, and Linux when it comes to slow boot times. Typically, the problem is caused by the number of programs Windows tries to launch when it first starts. Most of them are unnecessary. Step 7, clean the APPDATA folder. When you uninstall an app, you'll often find remnants of its presence all around your machine. One of the most common locations is the APPDATA folder. By default, the folder is hidden. You can find it at the location listed above or by typing %appdata% in the Windows search bar. Within the main folder, there are 3 subfolders: local, local low, and roaming. Make sure you go through all 3 folders to find any traces of the old software. Again, don't delete anything unless you are sure it's safe to delete. Step 8, remove old program files. The other place you will find trace elements of your old programs is in the Program Files folders. On most machines, there are 2 program file folders. You can find them at /program files and /program files (x86). As with the APPDATA folder, work through the contents of each folder carefully and delete any files and folders that are no longer in use. Step 9, clean the registry. It is essential to keep your registry clean and tidy. Think of it as a library. The bigger the library, the longer it takes you to find what you're looking for. The same is, the more junk in your registry, the longer it takes Windows to locate the entries it needs. Warning: deleting the wrong registry entry can have grave consequences for your system. Ensure you make a complete backup of your registry data before proceeding. Step 10, Clean all the caches. Windows is full of caches. You've got all those files lying around cluttering up your hard drive. Working through them all will take a while, but it is time well spent. I have given you 10 steps to give your operating system a spring cleaning. By following these steps, you are guaranteed a performance boost. Provide a comment below and tell us what you would like to know for future presentations. Remember to give us a like. Thank you for your attention.